Oh, hey, Red here, and today I just wanted to show you something on mobile and make it react to something, and it's called something called here on you. Search it up, and it's called React to. What am I gonna do is it's really scary. So, I think I should turn my volume down because it's a terrible movie. Get the volume. Oh, I accidentally took a picture. Sorry about that, guys. Frick. Why does it keep doing that? That's stupid. Like, we're gonna watch the Suicide Mouse. So, it's right here. Yeah. Why am I doing this? I don't know. And you can go watch it. Should I put full screen? No, hell no. Let's get it. A horrifying movie. I'm going to edit all the time. Yeah. I get edited sometime. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, oh. Squidwards Sucide Red. You can see that recording. It's actually we're gonna make a video watching these videos. Yeah. Something really something like that. I don't want to see recording or it's just horrifying. You have to watch it like that. Just watch that video in the corner. You know who Freddie, Nicky, and Mickey is? Yeah. This is a long story. Telling you guys a long, creepy story. Okay. Well, when it's black, should I just stare at the screen? How about this is the tablet was right here, and then it's silly. Anyway, this is really horrifying. Out. Why am I seeing nothing? I'm gonna watch that because I'm too afraid of the movie. Okay. Should I sleep or not? I should not sleep in an interaction. I don't know what to do. Put this up when it's time to end the video. Okay. Okay, let's switch it. Right in the bottom corner. Okay. He's freaking me out. Anything changing? Nothing. The video film still going. Yeah. That's just Bomb playing the sound kit. Okay. That makes the video kind of more better. The video's still going. It's like an ages. I just went to sleep. Actually, wait, I just go to sleep. I feel tired. I feel tired right now. Sorry. This is actually really gonna see a lot of reactions of videos of people throwing temperature tantrums and they get posted on YouTube. Those are really funny videos. We're just talking right now. So do you remember all those old Mickey Mouse cartoons? What the heck? What's acting weird, guys? This is definitely creepypasta. This film is really horrifying. He's crying. Oh, there he goes. Back. There he goes. Okay, he's still around. Is anything changing? That's good. Still around. Okay, something like the film's still going. Oh, the screen's just so horrifying. That's in a movie. We're gonna react to Reminiscent on Squidwards Sucide. But anyways, this is too scary. Why is he running so fast? If I see a part him going really fast, I'll say something really funny. I hope you guys laugh. Oh, it's so horrifying. See? We just keep walking. So fucking horrifying. What the fuck is that scream? I don't want to put it down because if anything looks at us, we gotta end the video because anything looks at us, everything looks creepy and weird. It's gonna hurt my ears if that happens. I don't know. I got face cam right now. I'm using a floating camera. I'm not sure. Things are breaking it. Look at the screen, it's acting weird. Why is the screen acting weird? It looks look at that. It's so creeping me out. You're just flying through the screen. If anything, this is horrible turn of events as this. Horrible turn. Why is it going backwards? Things are just getting not right. stuff was coming. Always that white stuff. Tell me in the comments. Say a whole entire story, because everything's getting freaked. I saw a man's face. Guys, did you see something? I saw a man's face completely. Okay. If you want to see that, I'll turn back. It's just really freaky. Watch. You saw a man's head, and it's really weird. It's only watch the whole rest of them, but look. See that man's face right there? And another face. See that? Tell your down in the comments below, because everything is just so weird. I think that's actually a story. Look, people have comments. I don't know what that language is. Tell me in the comments what that language is. I can't understand. I think something creepy is gonna happen. Okay. Oh. So a man walked up to the door, and it completely doesn't make any sense. That is really horrifying. Film. We'll turn that. Well, that was the end of Suicide Mouse, guys. We're gonna do a Squidwards Sucide Red in this video. I hope you enjoy this video of Suicide Mouse. This horrifying one. Like, there's a lot of people watching. Usually, I saw this cool one. See, you want me to watch this one? There's like so many Suicide Mouse videos on the internet. I couldn't get a pot. He didn't actually run fast, so I couldn't do a pot that I just forgot to do. Gotta go fast! So, I think that's it, guys. Excuse me for thanks for watching, guys. Well, please, tell me what the heck is happening in that story. I'll just read a lot of stories about it. Well, I hope you enjoy. See you later.